This tutorial will guide you through the unboxing of a Dynabook Satellite Pro C50. Break the security seal. Pull the tab out. Lay the box on its side. Pull the flap out and lift the lid. Remove the cardboard cover. Open the power leads box and remove both parts. Lift the laptop from the box. Remove the protective ends. Take the laptop out of the plastic cover. On the left side you'll find a power socket, an HDMI port, the first of two USB 3 ports, and a USB Type-C port. On the right hand side you will find a micro SD card reader, an audio jack socket, the second USB 3 port, an Ethernet port, and the Kensington lock. Remove the two parts of the power lead from their plastic covering. Remove the cable ties. Connect the two parts. With the laptop facing away from you, lift the screen, remove the protective sheet, plug the power lead into the laptop and connect to the mains. Turn the laptop on.